Welcome back. Now let us start asking the question that why do we need to learn statistics? And first of all, you should know that this is a backbone of data science or any analysis, and it helps analysts to make the sound business decision. And descriptive statistics help us to understand the data and the various property of by various means like central tendency and other kind of variance. Through inferential statistics help us to infer the properties of the population from a given sample of data. So in a very simple term that this is being used since when we have learned the number many centuries ago, and this is being used everywhere. If you are in any domain, definitely you are going to work with numbers, because you must be dealing with the finance at one or given time, so you know it. And as and when you have to deal with numbers, statistics come automatically, and probably you are already using the statistics. You may not be aware of, but you are already using it. Another thing is that you have say very huge amount of data. Then how can you verify, how can you really test your complete data? You take a sample and do the testing. Then how to do the sampling and all those will learn in the future video. Plus how to take a sample, that itself will learn in the future video. And we'll learn a lot. So let's go and see what is a statistics. The statistic, I have seen the definition a couple of the places, and this one I have liked, which I am able to explain in a very simple English. Statistics is a branch of mathematics dealing with collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization of data. So statistics is all about dealing with data, and for the data you collect, do analysis, interpret, present, and organize. So it is everything about data only. So you start with data collection. You can design some experiment based on the requirement. You can summarize the information, draw a conclusion, and show the presentation to the client, and it helps you in doing the more for the future prediction. The use of statistics is there in many fields. Machine learning, definitely there is a huge. Finance, I think almost probably the finance is one of the sector which uses statistics to the maximum extent, and it is also being used in the water management, air emissions, decomposition, and other things. And I have seen that many government organizations, they have one dedicated group, those are filled with statisticians. And through statistics, they verify that if any problem is really significant enough or not, or if they have done any planning whether this has succeeded or not. And so they have a group of statisticians, and I have seen this in most of the government organizations. And I have also seen in a private company like corporates, they have analysis team which helps their corporates in taking the decision. So this one is there even in corporates. So, and we'll learn a lot of the statistics, then you will realize that why it is useful and how it could help you in your work. Thanks a lot for watching it. See you in the next video.